Hello, Internet. I'm going to be introducing you to Carrie's brand new smoky eye look. I like the stick figure tribal look. Pink egg. Very nice, smeared around the face. You want to make sure it's nice and even. I personally don't wear foundation because I like to wake up 5 minutes before my work starts. I usually have time to put on mascara and sometimes my eyebrows. That's about it. Yeah, that's amazing. Those look like angel wings under your eyes. I'm sure if I put angel wings under my eyes that I would look more awake. But again, I just don't build that into my schedule. I'm more the slow coffee drinking in the morning type. But this kind of looks worth it. Alright, what is she doing now? I think she's just like graffiti artisting. That's not a word. This isn't a technique. She's just drawn lines on her face and inside her nose. That's not even the color of her skin. Maybe those are like pressure points. And that's where the goatee is gonna go. And it's really important to draw lines on the outside of your face so that you can tell where your face starts and where your neck starts. She's blurring it all in. Okay, that looks better. I mean, you could just write stuff on your face, like a note or like, hey. It looks so natural. So much makeup looks so natural. Now a little schmoosher. Oh, a Band-Aid. And lots of different kinds of eyeliner. I like eyeliner. If I really get my act together, I could put some eyeliner on. I could do it. Oh man, this is intense. That looks really cool though. The black one. Yeah. Smear that on there. This is gonna look so good, you guys. You have no idea. She's gonna go to the White House after this. Except not really, because no one wants to go there anymore. Ooh, liquid gold. Oh, no, more eyeliner, never mind. So yeah, if you want your eyes to look good, you have to spend a really long time on them. I think that's kind of the moral of the story here, which is why I don't ever look like that. Glitter. Yes, now we're talking. I personally don't wear a lot of glitter, but I'm a huge fan of the concept. Oh, that hurts. Ow. Pull those Band-Aids off and wow, that looks amazing. My best friend is hot. You just keep putting the glitter on, yeah. I feel like you could even do it in the brows or the lips. Call it like the glitter look. Trademark. Black eyeliner. Eyelash curler, I know what that is. I've never owned one in my life. But they do exist. And the mascara. That's my area. Ah, the brows. The brows are the windows to the face. You want to make sure your eyebrows look rad because really, that's the only thing that makes you look awake. And I'm just really thankful I didn't follow that fad in high school where like all the girls plucked their eyebrows out because people did that and Alright. You're gonna want to make sure those brows are really, really nice and shaped. That way you don't even have to talk. People will just be able to read your face and know what you're thinking. And add some gold if you have it. Gold on your face, what? Hide any lines that make it obvious you're wearing a wig. Brush the lines away. Add some pink. Girls are supposed to have pink cheeks. Boys are supposed to have blue. That's just the way. Ooh, that's pretty. Shimmery dust that makes you look like a dewy princess. And on your mustache and the nose and the cheeks. Basically just your whole face. That is so weird. You can buy eyelashes in a box. I know that, but it's just weird. Ooh, who doesn't want to kiss that face? What else? Oh, gold on your lips. What? That's crazy. Could you make your whole lips gold? Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that goddess. She's stunning. Oh, and she's silly. Okay, bye.